Introducing the HPF Stage 2 upgrade for the DS and DT Ram 1500. This upgrade includes a Manta 3-inch stainless steel exhaust system, high-flow air filter element and a custom dyno tune. We first removed the restrictive and quiet standard exhaust system. Here you can see just how restrictive the cast standard headers are compared to the Manta tuned length headers. These new headers will provide not only great power increases but a much more responsive throttle feel. The new high-flow catalytic converters will also aid in getting rid of one of the major restrictions in the exhaust system. The new centre muffler and deleting of the rear mufflers will provide that deep, aggressive sound we are after in a V8 and give the Ram a note to match its appearance. Once everything is back together, it's onto our dyno for a custom remap to suit the upgrades. With over 30 kilowatt gained at the wheels, this big rig is no longer a slouch. But what about the sound? The standard exhaust note really doesn't do this monster truck any favours. Now that's more like it. Get in touch with us today to give your Ram the HPF treatment.